Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making the part 2 of the Diwali transformation. The part 1 will be linked here, so please don't forget to check it out. And without wasting any time, let's begin.
So let's start with the measurements. First you need to mark 2.5 inches for your waistband. From that marking, mark your knee length. You want to keep your waistline very loose, so make it the same size of your hip length. Measure and mark your crotch length from that and straight it out. From that measurement, mark 2 inches for your crotch curve. Measure this part completely and divide it by 2 for the midpoint. Draw straight lines like so. For the knee, measure and divide by 2 and then divide it again so it can be equally parted. Connect them with the hip line and also curve the crotch line as well. Leaving half-inch seam allowance, cut it out. This is how it should look like. Now, if you are cutting on fold like me, then you will only need 2 pieces each. But if you are cutting single, then you will need 4 pieces each. Place them in a correct order. Pin them together and secure the crotch line. Similarly, do it for the other part as well. Once both are ready, place them facing right sides together and attach the crotch area. Measure and mark your waistband on the fabric so it is easy to fold. First, fold half inches and then fold according to the size of your elastic. Pin it and secure it with a straight stitch. Don't forget to leave a small opening for inserting your elastic. Measure and cut your elastic according to the size of your waist. With the help of a safety pin, insert it inside. Secure the ends together and close the remaining opening. Now, for the remaining bottom part, you need to calculate how long you want your bottom to be. Take the remaining sari and fold it lengthwise like so. Measure and confirm the length you have is enough for you. Draw the length size and pin it. To save time, I folded the fabric together. Pin it so it doesn't move much and it is easier to cut. And cut it out. After that, separate the both parts from the middle like so. With the same measurement, cut out the net fabric as well. Now if you want, you can add the lining fabric in this as well. मेरे पास नहीं था इसलिए मैंने नहीं लगाया. First we are going to hem the bottom. Double fold it and secure it with a straight stitch. On the top, make loose stitches so you can gather it to fit the knee part. Place them facing right sides together. Pin it in place and distribute the gathers equally And similarly, do it for the other part as well. Turn it wrong side out and pin the inner leg seam. Make sure the crotch are properly attached and lying together. Pin everything in place and secure it with a straight stitch. Cut out any extra fabric if you have so. Turn it right side out and you're done.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Diwali transformation, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion transformation. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account, and I wish you a very happy Diwali. Until next time, dream. Bye.